Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing another shop my stash video. This is like a quick get ready with me since I am going to Cleveland today for the Yankees game. I just wanted to do a little bit of makeup, a little bit of glamour for the game. But if you guys enjoy these kinds of videos, I do makeup tutorials, hauls, and I will be starting style videos very soon. Make sure you subscribe and leave a like on this video. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so today I'm going to start with my eyebrows. I'm actually using a new product. This is the Browy Wowie Brow Pencil from LA Colors. It comes with a little spoolie, and this is in color dark. So we're going to start with this. I'm going to groom my brows up a little bit before I fill them in. They horribly need plucked and stuff, but again, if you've been here for a while, you know I don't do anything with my eyebrows because of past catastrophes. And then the pencil just kind of looks like the Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit, so we'll see how this goes. For the face, I'm keeping it super duper simple. I am just going to be trying out this BB cream I have. This is the Lies Warrior? Sure. Hydroforce BB cream. So since I'm not worried about having a lot of makeup on today, I just want to have a little bit of color, dimension, and you know, something to kind of bring the whole face together. I'm going in with this ColourPop color called Elixir. It's kind of this orangey brown, and I'm just going in with kind of a crease blending brush like this one, and we're going to put a little bit of this in the crease. And I have no primer on my lids, by the way, because ColourPop ones, you don't really need a primer. I'm just going to blend this out with a little Delium Tools blending brush so it's not so orange. It's going to be a little more subdued on the edges and then deeper in the corners. I'm going to take whatever product is left on my sponge from doing my BB cream and tap it underneath the brow just to give it a little bit of a blend on the corners since I'm not highlighting my brow with any sort of product, and then kind of blend out the edges since we're not doing concealer today either. So the next thing we're going to do is just add a little color to the lids, make it a little bit brighter. I am going in with this color from the Christmas collection from NYX. This is Cookie Cutter. It's just a very light pink. I'm just going to tap this on the lids with a big brush. For eyeliner, I'm taking Maybelline 24-Hour Color Tattoo. This is in the color Blue on By, just because Yankees blue, get it? It's not quite blue enough, but I want it to be a little bit brighter. And this is why I decided to keep everything kind of toned down. Now that I have this little pop of color on, I think it looks really pretty with the orange, kind of burnt orange color. So now I am going to take my Physicians Formula Nude Wear Bronzer, and I just kind of swirl all the colors together with a big fluffy brush, and we're just going to put this kind of all over just to give us a little bit of color on the high points. This also just helps blend in any sort of lines you may have had left over from the Beauty Blender, or if your skin tone is still kind of uneven, this really helps even it out. I am just going to curl my lashes real quick before we put on mascara. And for mascara, I'm going to use the Rocket Volume from Maybelline, and this is in brownish black. just to add a little bit more to the face, I'm going to take a little bit of this highlighter from NYX. This is Candy Cloud. It's just very light pink, and I'm just going to take a little bit of it on the brush and put it on the high points of my cheeks and nose. Finally, for lips, you can just put on an SPF chapstick, or lip balm, that's what I was trying to say. But I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Color Riche in Ultra Nude. Is a little bit of, so for the center of the lips, I'm going to take a little bit of Creme de Nude from MAC. And just add that to the center. So I hope you guys enjoyed my Shop My Stash simple date night, game day, whatever kind of thing you're going to look. It's really easy and simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.